Well, today on Firebird Friday, we're installing the rear window clips and the rear chrome molding. So let's shut her down and let's get to working. All right, so we have laid out the chrome, so we kind of know where all the pieces go before we start. And we still have to put in the little clips, but we just want to make sure we knew how things go. The back piece goes in first, then each of the sides, and then each of the two bottom ones, and that will complete the way it's supposed to overlap. So with that, we're going to pull this off. We're going to put those clips in, shine up the chrome, and then install the chrome. All right, so here's our clip. You can kind of see its profile. You can see that right there is an opening in that slot. So when you put these in, they're going to go in like this, with that outside edge, that clip there points outward. So like that. Let me zoom in and I'll show you. Slide outside down onto the pin. You push it down and it should lock itself into place. So just go around and we'll get all of them. And of course, it's all coming off when I go to paint. All right. Coolness. All right, so now we need to polish this chrome. So just so we can center it, let's just use these as like a guide. It's going to overlap. Does it overlap this one or does this one overlap that one?
So I'm pretty sure this one goes underneath and these overlap.
Just on top like that. All right. So to make sure that we got it centered, how much room do you have overlapping on your end?
Right.
About a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch?
Yeah, right.
Right in there?
Where I need to be.
Okay. So we'll put that down. And then you should just be able to push down.
Oh, do we got this upside down?
I don't think so. Do we? Yeah, we do. Yep. So 1/2 inch on your side. About right?
Yep.
Push down. You know, we may need that tool. So technically what happens is you take this up into the clip and then you opens it up. See how it opens it up so you can put that down? So if I go like that. So
you might have to reach the next one.
Right there. Okay. Oh, missed that one up there.
Nope.
Now grab it. There it is. So you're going to pinch it to where you can then push it down and release it out. Yep.
Interesting. Yeah, if there's anybody still around who actually built these cars in the factory, they're probably laughing at us right now.
I bet you they are.
Like, in the time it took you to put that one in, we'd have got the whole car done.
Right, we'd have been at lunch already.
Yeah. Fired. Fired.
Okay, so on top. Cool.
And I guess this one.
Cool.
Fancy little tool. Then
Sweet. We may have to get some new glass then.
even polish glass.
Xavier cleaning the back window and the Firebird. Who knows how to polish glass? Comment down below. All right, so this wraps up the video on how to install the rear chrome trim. We showed you how to put the clips in, how to lay out each piece, and how they go together and tie in together. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please share it with your other F-Body first-gen people. And subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And until next Friday, have a good one.